Zhengrun is driven by intelligent manufacturing, actively integrating into the wave of Industry 4.0 and promoting a profound transformation from traditional manufacturing to digital and intelligent processes with craftsmanship and innovation. Zhengrun embodies the spirit of master artisans in a great nation. Founded in 1997, Zhengrun has continuously developed and innovated over time, steadfastly advancing toward the pinnacle of the industry. The company has earned numerous accolades through leading technological innovation in scientific management, including the titles of National High-Tech Enterprise and National Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise, all of which attest to Zhengrun's exceptional capabilities. Behind these honors lies Zhengrun's commitment to quality and its promise for the future. Every production standard at Zhengrun meets international levels, and all products are C certified. With over 100 patents, Zhengrun has established a new high ground in industry technology. Within this lighthouse of industry innovation, Zhengrun's R&D team, like countless dedicated artisans, consistently pursues technological leadership and breakthroughs. Facing increasingly diverse market demands, Zhengrun responds with customized solutions, meeting customer expectations with industry-leading standards. In the packaging sector, Zhengrun has steadily progressed, achieving disruptive innovations time and again. Zhengrun Smart Factory showcases the new heights of intelligent manufacturing. The company is equipped with internationally leading large-scale processing centers, including 12 CNC machines, 4 gantry machines, and 1 Mosaic horizontal flexible processing production line. This production line features 100 workstations, enabling automated production of small batch, multi-variety components, significantly enhancing production flexibility and effectively shortening production cycles with automatic detection capabilities. Machining accuracy is precisely controlled within 5 microns, ensuring component quality and consequently more stable performance of the final products. The company has introduced hexagon coordinate measuring instruments with measurement accuracy at the micron level, capable of precise measurements in product design, mold equipment, and gear accuracy. The workshop is equipped with central air conditioning for temperature and humidity control, providing a constant temperature and humidity environment for equipment production and development throughout the year. Zhengrun consistently pursues perfection, meticulously debugging every detail of assembly. We have also deeply integrated digital technology into warehouse management, relying on an advanced ARC management system to truly achieve comprehensive digitalization and intelligence in warehouse allocation and order tracking. The Rareby 380's fully automatic carton forming machine can simultaneously produce 2 different specifications of boxes. With dual feeders for paper feeding, fully digital adjustment of the equipment, dual station automatic corner pasting, Yamaha robotic multi-vision imaging positioning, dual station forming, and linear motor-driven box holding, achieving a speed of 56 boxes per minute. The CBD 5RT fully automatic visual cover integrated machine adopts a rear suction type for feeding face paper, preventing double sheets for smoother delivery. The paper feeding is independently servo-controlled, ensuring more uniform gluing and more precise positioning. Yamaha robotic vision positioning with a positioning accuracy of 0.1 millimeters. Machine features flat belt correction, high-speed edge folding, and servo motors for precise flipping. The inner lining suction device allows for non-stop suction and delivery of cardboard, effectively preventing scratches on finished products. It includes a heavy roller for flattening, effectively removing bubbles, and featuring a pressure groove function. The KL1300 ISD fully automatic longitudinal and transverse cardboard slitter. After the first longitudinal cut, it proceeds to the second transverse cut. The machine features ball screws paired with dual servo motors for high cutting accuracy and includes an automatic stacking function for neat piling. Zhengrun, based in China with a global layout, is committed to providing customers with exceptional service. We closely integrate the virtual and real worlds, introducing advanced digital twin systems that enable real-time monitoring and remote access to equipment data, promptly identifying and resolving issues to increase equipment uptime and production efficiency. Leveraging the robust data support and decision-making basis of the digital twin system, we help customers build intelligent, unmanned factories, accelerating the transformation towards intelligence. In the future, Zhengrun will continue to create a smarter, more environmentally friendly, and more competitive packaging industry ecosystem, leading the development direction of intelligent packaging.